Hello guys, today I want to talk to you about how to set up correctly aluminum foil. Many people doesn't know about it or never noticed about this. So basically it's from Costco, and it's just a brand name by Reynolds Wrap. So you will find like double pack. It's a big pack, lasts forever. So what I'm gonna do first, I need to separate them because we're gonna use only one, and one should be good for a lot of cover, for wrap, and so on. So it's just in plastic, which you don't need. Okay, so we're gonna use one, and the item number 720, and I bought it from Costco. You can buy it online, any grocery store, but the best deal I found it was in Costco. So here's the trick. What you do, it's some hack. There is special box over here where you have to press. Many people don't pay attention, so you have to press on it from both sides, and you need to do it before you open it. This way is the easiest way. So you can do with finger like this. Okay, and then you do another side the same way. Pop. Wow, it's not hard at all. And then you just lay it down, you pull this one up like this, and be careful, don't cut yourself. This one is very sharp, and many people cut themselves. So you just pull it out like this, and you can cut it for as easy as like this. Basically it will not fall out, and what you do next, when you finish cutting, pull down and cover it up. Don't cut anything, that's it. And that's how it's supposed to be stored. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you find this video helpful for you. Please put comments below. If you like this video, please subscribe. I will have more kitchen hack for you, and I will be talking about more different tips around kitchen and other objects. So please subscribe, hit the button below, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.